Once in the vibrant town of Collin Ville, there lived a curious boy named Vince and his best friend Dawson, a clever, loyal dog with a tail that wagged like a flag on windy days. Vince's eyes sparkled with questions about everything, while Dawson always seemed to have a reassuring answer, even if it was just a comforting bark. Together, they made an unstoppable team, ready for mischief, magic, or anything life sent their way. One sun-gilded morning, Vince plopped onto his porch with a little frown. "What if I can't do everything I want to? What if I get stuck?" He sighed, looking at rusty handlebars on his bicycle or unfinished sketches in his notepad. Dawson flopped beside him and wagged his tail. "Woof! We can figure out anything, Vince. Let's go on an adventure." With hearts thumping with excitement, the two friends scampered into the woods. As sunlight dappled the floor with shifting patterns, something caught Vince's eye, a wooden chest poking through a mound of golden leaves. He brushed the leaves aside, opened the chest, and gasped. Inside was a map of life skills, glowing and shimmering with colourful trails and curious icons. A note inside the chest read, "Those who follow this map will learn the skills they need for a successful life. Are you ready?" Vince grinned at Dawson. "Ready?" "Woo!" Off they marched, the map leading them to their first challenge, a teetering, crooked bridge over a sparkling river. A sign read, "To cross safely, think carefully and solve the puzzle." Vince studied the planks. His first step onto the first plank, safe. The next creaked and groaned under his foot. Too risky, Vince thought. Dawson barked at the third plank, solid as stone. Together they chose the right steps and skipped across to the other side, hearts thumping with victory. "Thinking and trying different things really works," Vince said, as he ticked the first skill, problem solving, off the map. Next, the map led into a shadowy cave, cool and echoing. Its entrance glimmered with a strange, soft light. Vince gulped. "Do we dare?" Dawson nudged him gently. "We can do this, Vince." Inside was a sleeping dragon curled around a glowing crystal. Vince's heart thumped so loudly he was sure the dragon would wake. But Vince remembered, heroes stay calm even if they're afraid. Together, they tiptoed around the dragon, picked up the crystal and edged out, their nerves quivering, but their courage bright and alive. On they trekked, until they reached a towering tree with a golden fruit on the highest branch. "It's impossible," Vince said. Dawson wagged his tail. "Step by step," he seemed to say. So they gathered sticks, built a sturdy ladder, and climbed carefully together, supporting one another. At last, Vince reached the precious fruit, his hands shaking with excitement. He took a bite and smiled. Sweet success comes to those who try patiently. Just as they thought the adventure was over, a tiny squeal caught their ear. Under a pile of twigs, a squirrel was trapped, its fluffy tail twitching. "Help me!" Without thinking twice, Vince and Dawson worked together, lifting the branches until the squirrel was free. The grateful creature gave them some of his acorns and led them to a secret shortcut back home. With their rucksack full of treasures and new confidence, Vince and Dawson skipped back into Collin Ville. Vince smiled at his friend. "Look at all we've learned. Problem-solving, courage, patience and kindness." Dawson wagged his tail and barked in agreement. "Let's use what we've learned every day. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.